Hi there everyone, and welcome to Saturday. It's another very cold day out there today in the Shire. To all 626 family members, thank you so much for being here. Going to do another food review taste test today, and it's another from Pinfold Pies. This one is the meat and potato pie. Done it in the air fryer again. I think it was 10 to 12 minutes, can't remember properly. It's £2.50. So we'll cut into it and see what this one's like, yeah? I'm still getting to grips with that air fryer. And that's what it looks like inside, folks. As you can see, it's piping hot and packed to the rafters, as always. So we'll give it a go. A bit of the potato first. Absolutely perfectly cooked. Some of the meat there. I don't know how they do it. That meat is amazing. I keep saying that they're amazing pies, and they really are. That meat is absolutely excellent. It really is. The pastry once again is perfect for me. It's perfectly seasoned, as is the pie. Someone on YouTube asked me the other day if people who review food are sponsored by people. I can't speak for everyone, but I know I aren't. And all I'm doing here is giving a very honest opinion of how I find the pies from Pinfold Pies. Just as I give honest opinions about all the other things I've tried from different companies, supermarkets, etc., that have been either good or bad. I've said it before, and I will say it again. If you're ever finding yourself in Earlsheaton or Ossett, just give them a try. The quality and value is amazing. It really is. And as I have said before, rather than the big supermarkets, these small independent companies still have that personal touch, which is really nice these days. Oh man, this is superb. These are like the meat and potato pies my grandma and mother used to make. Oh man, great. Joy in every mouthful. So, the old question, who ate all the pies, seems like it could be me. I shall be going up again during the coming week. As there are many more pies to sample, and I really want to try their venison pie, which apparently is one of the best sellers. This is, I'm lost for words really. Ten out of 10 all day long. It can't be any less from me. These are incredible, they really are. As I've said before, Pinfold Pies in the village of Earlsheaton is open Tuesday to Friday. It's behind Le Petit Café on the main road. They also have a stall on Ossett Market Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you find yourself in Ossett at any time, and Ossett is a really nice little market town, you've got to give these pies a try, you really have. And while you're there, say hello to Elisabeth from me, tell her I sent you, I recommended them. Pinfold Pies, well done, amazing. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, folk, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, come and join the 626 members who already have. Costs you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. And on that note, as always, my friends, I will say to you, Namaste. And may your God go with you. Bye for now. Have a great Saturday, everyone.